If you don't like complicated setups but still want to watch movies easily, then Stremio is your new best friend. First, head over to Stremio's official website and download the app for your device. Whether it's Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, or iOS, Stremio's got you covered. Follow the simple install steps and you're good to go. Next, open the app and create a free account. Facebook, Google, or email your choice. This syncs your library across devices. Cool, right? Now the magic happens. Click the puzzle piece icon to explore the add-on catalog. Here, you'll find official and community add-ons. Install popular ones like Torrentio or the Pirate Bay, plus for a treasure trove of content. Back to the Discover section, browse or search for movies. Click on a title to see streaming options. Check the quality and source and start watching. Remember to use a service like Real Debrid for smoother streams and consider a VPN for privacy. Keep your app and add-ons updated and you're all set.